Let's return now to the markets. Asia is playing catch-up today to yesterday's rally in Europe and the U.S. So the question is, how is European trading faring today? Well, let's bring in our own Philip Enns from our London offices to find out what's going on. Philip?
Yeah, Scarlett, very good morning to you. European markets are trading higher. I can tell you base metals are gaining, and this is also then a positive for mining and basic resource shares. But let's first of all look at the indices here. We have the FTSE, the DAX, and also the CAC 40 in Paris, all higher. But you see, not as dramatically as yesterday, but still higher nonetheless. Various factors at play or at work here today. For instance, we have a positive sentiment figure for the British housing market because the housing situation is improving there with prices rising in London, according to a latest survey. And speaking of a survey, a little bit of a contrarian indicator here from Germany, because the German investor confidence in July, measured by the ZEW index, unexpectedly dropped just now. So there you have it, a little bit of a mixed picture here. And banks are obviously in focus ahead of the Goldman Sachs earnings due before the market opens in New York this morning. So let's quickly look at the moving sectors here. It's, most of that basic resources, banks, financial services and insurance stocks. And the biggest gainer today is Deutsche Bank in the Stoxx 50, up 5.3%. Speaking of down, Vodafone is the biggest loser. I have more details in my next hit. Back to you.
We look forward to it. Philip Enns in London.